Take off jack stands now.
Why? Might not need. We probably shouldn't.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we should start up with my garage door open because I don't feel like dying.
Yeah, it's gonna get lots of smoky in here.
Lots of smoky.
Where am I gonna put this?
Cameraman.
Thanks.
How charged do you think that battery isn't? Well, it was fully charged about 3 months ago and it's been sitting since then.
I'm gonna put my coat on. Where'd I put my coat?
Where? Man, can you imagine doing that?
Are we recording?
Like, what? Is it recording? Still?
Yes.
Make sure you get positive on positive, eh?
Yeah.
Otherwise you'll be in for one hell of a nasty ass spark. Okay.
Push down on it pretty good.
It's good.
Touch feels very odd.
You sure it's in neutral too?
It's in neutral.
Hello? Hi. Good, we're just about to start it right now.
Okay. Stop. Let me rotate the timing.
So, Justin's gonna call us.
Try it.
We should be good for about 4:30. So, as soon as we get this running, I'm out of here.
Try it.
Alrighty?
Wait a minute. What? Did we... Well, might want to hook up the Hall effect pickup sensors. Can you hook them up?
Yeah, that'll do it.
Where's the wires?
Always something.
Always something.
One.
Oops. Okay.
Experience.
Oh, smoke.
That's because you had a poor connection.
Okay.
Wheels are turning. I think it's running on 3 cylinders. I think it's running on 3 cylinders.
Where's the oil?
Oil.
No, running on 3 cylinders.
I think that one of those plug wires is fucked.
Yeah.
Fuck, that is noisy.
It'll shut up.
Like in a year. Oh man. Oh man. That's noisy.
We really should have fixed that.
It sounds like it's on the teeth for the starter.
We got no fuel leaks?
Not yet. That's loud from over here. Oh my god.
Fuck, that's noisy.
That's running on all cylinders.
Now it is.
Probably take 15 minutes worth of driving to get rid of that. Or it'll just go away by itself.
There you go.
It just disappeared. That was that was that socket that we left in the bell housing. Timing is definitely off.
You have no, your whole valve isn't working. That's why you're getting compressor surge.
I thought that was just
Well, I just
blow.
gotta loosen
But
it. But it is loose though, eh? It's...
It sounds like you got a valve fix. Hear that?
That's so minor. Remember, this needs...
No? Is that me for you?
Timing's way off.
Yeah.
Raise it a bit.
I have my timing gun in the house.
Well, it's a good thing we have one. Yeah, go get it.
You really gotta get that thing working properly.
It was working fine before we,
No, it wasn't. I heard it. When you drove in here. It wasn't working good.
Like I said, I don't think that's a good vacuum source right there.
No, it's not a good hose.
Where's that hose that you had? There's some down there and there's over there.
How do you think your water level is? Are you just too warm to touch it by now?
Shove some more in there. Where is it?
I have no idea. Clean your batteries off the wires. Getting corroded.
I was gonna get them all redone.